Chances for tropical development continue to slowly climb for areas just to our south and east. But what you will notice, not only is the chances for development now in the orange, which is a moderate chance of development, but less and less of the Gulf is now included. I mean, it's just a sliver here, then north central Florida and central Florida, the peninsula, and then a lot of it, about 2/3, is going to be to our east on the Atlantic side in through Georgia, off the coast, and the Carolinas. Right now, if that were to occur, if it does develop to our east to a tropical storm depression, it would likely not impact us really at all. Matter of fact, we'll be on the drier side of that system, maybe kick up the winds a little bit as we go into the weekend. But really no worries for us here in South Georgia and even towards the northern Gulf Coast, I think. Apalachicola westward, not going to expect much in the form of tropical conditions. So let's talk about tropical warmth and humidity, but nothing more than that. Let's talk about temperatures this morning. We're in the low to mid 70s. We'll get hitting 80 around at 10 a.m. Upper 80s at 1 p.m. Then the showers and storms are filling in. We have a front sagging south, and it's going to focus those showers and storms a little earlier onset today. Again, yesterday we hit 90. Because of the later onset today, they'll be a little bit earlier. Scattered thunderstorms expected to linger into the evening with some showers as that front drives through. We'll go from the mid-80s to the upper 70s, and then tonight down to about 73. The drier air will finally win out tomorrow morning here in Albany. You can see that the front sags south, the showers and storms, a little sea breeze activity down here towards the Florida Big Bend. Middle Georgia heading kind of south, and a little bit of that convergence zone there right around Moultrie up towards Douglas and Thomasville. Looks like that's going to be the best chance of getting into some thunderstorms later on this afternoon and evening. And then we'll have this front drag through, and see, we're on the other side of it. So what's behind it? Is it cooler? Nah. Is it drier? Yeah. And that's what we're going to be feeling. The rain chances are down, and dew points may actually drop into the upper 60s as we get into the tail end of the work week. Now, south and east of this front, which includes most of our southeastern communities, still has a chance of some showers and storms. You can see that activity. And then we'll be watching this low pressure starting to develop along the stalled front, and that's what we're going to watch for tropical development as it gets over towards the Atlantic side. But the heat will be pumped in here. Temperatures into the mid-90s as early as tomorrow, and then mid to upper 90s possibly Friday. That's the 4th. Hot as a firecracker heading our way, South Georgia. Looking ahead, a 30% chance of an isolated shower or storm. Again, this is isolated. This is low-end chance. This is slight chance. The heat is on, though. 95, going to feel like it's 100. 4th of July, mostly sunny, 74 to 96. Heat index about 101, 102. So a little uncomfortable here. I guess everyone will take that so they can enjoy the 4th of July weekend. Just take it easy outside if you do anything too strenuous. Mostly sunny on Saturday, 74 to 93. And then scattered showers and storms return Sunday. Less than 50% though, and more seasonable temperatures as we get into the tail end of the weekend. We'll talk more about that, and of course the latest on this system here that could develop, tropically speaking, when everything is anything that close, we'll keep an eye on. We'll talk all about it today in Georgia from 5 to 7 a.m. I hope you join us then.